been raining here for 2 weeks. Well, I ain't complaining, but this old roof leaks. Well, pouring rain is dropping on my head as I recall the last thing she said. So why do you love me? And why do you care for me like I used to do for you? 'Cause I don't love you and I don't care for you, so I'll just pack my things and go. She said I'm leaving, you ain't believing what I say. And no matter what the weather, I know we'll be together someday. And with a little grace, I know I'll see your face, and it won't rain. Well, she's been back here for a while now. I think the stars at night when I laid my head down. To wake up every day to see that smile. You don't know what you've got until it's gone for a while. She said it's raining, but I ain't complaining today. No matter what the weather, I know we'll be together always. And with a little grace, I know that I can face the rain. And with a little grace, I know that I can face the rain.